If you are currently dealing with back pain when you are deadlifting, by the end of this video, that is all going to change. I am going to show you how to modify your deadlifts if you are somebody with a bad back, poor mobility, and limited strength. In a recent session with one of my clients, we did some deadlifts for her, but had to modify the exercise very slightly. Let's look at what I did with her and see how you can implement it into your workout routine. Alright, so as you can see here, we have a kettlebell set up on the floor, and I have a little bit of a boost on the ground as well. So two really important things there. One, having it with the kettlebell actually makes it a little bit easier to deadlift, simply because it's more over the center of your feet, so your center of gravity makes it a little bit easier. And then also too, having it on that boost, she's able to get her feet up a little bit closer when doing this. And notice when she comes up, she actually is just doing one repetition, so I was trying to kind of coach her to do multiple in a row, and you'll see as we get into this set, she does it a lot better and does it way more consistently, so that's a really good thing. She's just kind of touching base with me here and making sure she did everything right, which she did. Her technique looks really good. Notice how flat her back is in this position too. That's a common error that a lot of individuals make when they are deadlifting, so that's something we're trying to focus on too. Probably one of the biggest things with her is her her mobility when she's actually reaching down towards the ground is pretty solid for the most part, but something that she'll often do is she'll bend less with her knees, and her quads and knee muscles are very weak. So I've actually been kind of using exercises specifically like this, and in addition to squatting, to get her to really drive home that we want to bend the knees a little bit more. Her deadlifting position is actually really solid. She can deadlift with a bar pretty well. So this is another way, in addition to kind of alleviating some of that back pain, that you can work if your quads are a little bit weak too. Another thing to mention too when you are deadlifting with a bad back or limited mobility is to make sure you are doing the full range of motion. You'll notice some of these times she's going up and down, she's kind of cutting the range of motion short, and there's a lot of things I'm cueing with her when I'm doing this exercise, but one of the things I do try to continually cue with her is to stand tall. So we're trying to squeeze our butt as we stand nice and tall to get that full range of motion on the muscle work and just the movement pattern. If you don't work that full range of motion, of course it's going to go down. Very nice. And another way you can actually make this easier too is by bumping up the height a little bit, so the height of the object. Alright, so hopefully that gave you a little bit of an idea of a different way to deadlift if you are currently dealing with back pain. I'm going to link below all the products mentioned in the video. Otherwise, consider giving this video a like if it provided some value for you, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, as we help individuals of all ability become healthier in life and improve their overall knowledge of the gym. Otherwise, you can check out this other video I created showing you how to lunge with poor mobility, balance, and strength. I'm out of it, no man to tell me you know.